everybody, and welcome to Colorful Threads Embroidery. I am Juliet, and today we are going to go through the steps of using the laser alignment tool on your Summit machine and how easy it is to line up a design in exactly where you want it. So if you are new here, welcome. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're new. Give me a thumbs up if you find the information helpful, and hit the bell and select all so that you get all of my videos whenever they come out. Okay, so first thing I'm going to do is I am going to mark on some stabilizer. So what I'm going to mark is, if I had a template, I would print that and I would put that down and pin it where I want it. What I need is 2 reference points on my work. Either I need to have a point on my item that I'm stitching somehow, either with a printed template that goes over top of it, or if you have a dissolving ink, you can mark the 2 reference points. So I'm just going to mark 2 reference points. The design that I have loaded today is the word create, just so that you can see when I do actually turn the design, you'll see it on the screen. So put your hoop into your machine. And then what we're going to do is you're going to go to the rotate transform button. This is where you would rotate it 180 degrees if you needed to. And this little button at the top middle is your laser alignment tool. When you click on that, you're in this window. This window, the first instruction says move to the first registration point and then confirm. So to move to the first reference point, put the grabber in, and I'm going to use my arrow keys. And can you see the little laser light shining? I'm going to see my little laser light shine right on that point. Turn that light on. So see, my little red laser light is right at my first reference point. So now I'm going to click check. Yes, there's my first reference point, and it actually shows up as red. Well, that's not going to work with my pink, but that's fine. Now, second instructions, move to the second registration point and confirm. So again, arrow keys, I got my laser light is on. I'm going to move my laser light to that second reference point in my hoop, just like that. Now confirm with a check mark. Now I have options. I have 9 options of how I want this design. Do I want it centered between the 2 reference points? Justified left, above, on, or below the reference point? Justified right, above, on, or below? Justified center, above, on, or below? 99% of the time you're going to center it. Now my word is actually at an angle, just like my points are in the hoop. So if you have any questions, go ahead and comment down below. If you need me to explain anything any further, let me know. I will be happy to help, but I just wanted to come on for a quick tip today on using the laser alignment on the Summit. Have a wonderful day.